Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this electric lunchbox, and let's be surreal for a minute. You do not always have access to a microwave or the time to get it from your desk, or if you're out in the wild like I am today, you want to have a hot lunch, you need to have an electric lunchbox. These things are so amazing. This one actually comes with a really nice carrying bag with some nice mesh sides on this and lots of extra storage compartments, which are really nice. You got extra spots in the front, put your cell phone, extra spots in the top, and you can actually use this top to either put heat packs, cold packs, things like that in here, keep other food separate, or use it to store even all the accessories. So they do send you with a 35-watt charger that you can plug into a standard 110 outlet, and you also get your USB-C cable, an optional strap, your instruction guide, everything that you need in there. But in this insulated part of this bag, which is going to help extend the overall time frame of the heating capability, you actually have this, which is your heated lunchbox. Now, it's a very basic design, but I absolutely love that because some of these can be so overly complicated, and this one actually works really well. It actually has 2 latches on the side, not 4, so it actually simply pops open. And on the top here, they actually provide you with utensils, and these are not cheap utensils. These are actually relatively sturdy and thick, washable. You can reuse those time and time again. They don't feel like cheap utensils, so that part is really nice as well. Top part comes off. Now you have access to your actual meal. In here you've got a 1.5 cup capacity, extra large deep bowl stainless capacity container that can easily be removed. Again, really sturdy quality. Don't want to be touching the bottom of that because it's going to get hot. They even put a little indicator on there to show you that that's going to get hot. The whole thing is going to get hot and does have a vented top that you can actually vent out any kind of steam and things like that as it's heating, which is great. Now, no electric lunchbox is going to be complete without a nice digital display. This one works so simply. You can simply turn it on. You've got your battery indicator at the top and it shows zeros. You've got the ability to turn on heat. You can heat it up for 30 up to 60 minutes for the heat, or you can warm it up to 120 minutes on the warm setting. You've also got a lock setting, and that's basically it. Now, if you're wanting to schedule this time for a time down the road, you just simply hit meal time, and this is what I like. It is not a simple, it's very simple. It's not a complicated set the time and figure out when it is. You just simply set it for how many hours that you're wanting it to be before it kicks on, 1 hour up to 8 hours. So 3 hours from now I'm gonna eat, great, there you go, done. Set it and forget it. So then you can put this away, and then come that time, it'll be heated up and ready to go. Really simple, really great, and I love everything about it. Thank you guys again for sending it.